Students, today we will discuss solid shape and their nets from chapter geometry. First we will discuss solid shape. Can we create a 3D shape from 2D shape? Means you know that using a 2D shape we have to create a 3D shape using a net, but for that purpose we have to require net. Okay, in mathematics a net tells us the how to draw a required shape, and in mathematics you can understand that how we can create a 3D shape by using 2D material on a flat paper or using a flat paper, and then fold in is specific line. Means we have to take a flat paper and we have to fold that paper into the specific line, and we get the required 3D shape. Just look at the first shape, cube. Cube is a easiest solid shape. Is it a easiest solid shape? To think about, all the faces are square, and whose all the faces are square. Look at the figure. Here one square is there, here next square is there, here downside is one square, on this side is also one square, here back side is one square, and in front is one square. Means there are 6 faces of square faces are joined together and to form a cube. I hope you understand. How many faces cube have? There are 6 faces. I'll count. First upside, back side 2, here side 3, on this side 4, 5, and downside 6. There are 6 square faces cube having. And shape of the faces, all faces of a cube having a square, they look like a square. I hope you understand this part. Okay, and you have to write down all the part which I send on WhatsApp, and send me back on WhatsApp. Okay, cuboid. Now we will discuss about the cuboid. The cuboid is another solid shape. Cuboid is another solid shape with a same property. Means who's having a same property like a cube, but with a two square faces, and 4 rectangular faces. But in a cube there are 6 square faces, but here 2 square faces and other 4 faces are in a rectangular shape. I hope you understand. I'll explain that one. In the best example of cuboid is a shoebox. Everyone know about the shoebox, or everyone familiar with a matchstick. If you observe matchstick box carefully, you can observe this is one kind of a cuboid. Look at this figure there. Look this part. I am drawing this. This is a rectangle. Front rectangle, second, back side also rectangle, third, and downside, this is the rectangle. These 4 parts are rectangular in shape. First front, second back, third upside, and fourth downside. These 4 part having a rectangular shape. And if you look at this part, this is nothing but, or this part, these 2 parts are rectangular, square shape. Okay, means cuboid having a 4 rectangular part and two square shape part. Okay, if we join this part, then we can get the cuboid. I'll show the net. This is a net, and I'll draw some lines here. That line we have to fold, and if we are folding such a type of line, then we can get the cuboid. This is the net for the making cuboid. Just look at this. Here square part, this square part. If we fold this part, this part, this part, and this part, here make like a this part. And if we put inside this part and this part is look like this, and we are creating a cuboid. If it is possible for you, just draw a net and cut with a scissor and join that part and make one cuboid. Okay, and make a or make a video of that, or you can paste image of that cuboid on WhatsApp group. I hope you understand this part. Cuboid, today we will discuss only cube and cuboid, and you have to send that part on a WhatsApp group. I hope you understand. Have a nice day.